So I recently was sitting in my office, I got a phone call, and the voice, the ringtone, was the scariest noise I've ever heard in my life. I'm going to play it for you. There are tons of different options for the ringtone. I believe someone played a prank on me in my office, so listen to this. This is what I just listened to and thought I was being murdered. Frightening is what that is. Okay, let's listen to Bust a Move. How about Caribbean Ice? Elevator music. Chimney phone. Crazy Dream. Crown Rock. Curveball Blend. Dancing Fool. Oh, that hurts. Digital phone. It's so funny. Dream Theme. How about Eastern Sky? Kind of like it. How about Friendly Ghost? What about Game Over Guitar? Oh, I dig it. There's that one. I also like Insert Coin. So many to choose from. How about Mildly Alarming? New Player. It's too high-pitched. Paradise Island. I can always be on vacation in my office. Such weird ringtones. Ooh, Revelation. Road Trip. Romancing the Tone. I don't know what to choose. If you have a favorite, let me know.